Hey, Squad 29, A-Ship, Alex Rangel, Gary Slutz, Kyle Stoneberger, and Nelson Rainey are talking about maybe the possibility of a different type of way of tying our Wrap 3 Pull 2. We all agree that the Wrap 3 Pull, there's a lot of different ways to anchor in our systems. You got ropes, you've got baskets, you've got anchor straps. We predominantly use a Wrap 3 Pull 2. If you look at our system, we've got 16,000 pounds of breaking strength. 1-inch tubular webbing for each strap is 4,000 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16,000 pounds of breaking strength. One of the weaknesses that we see in our system, whether we're in a mountainous terrain or industrial, like in confined space, is that if we lose one leg of this webbing, we lose our entire anchor system, and then we'll shock load our system. We've seen with some near misses recently with the MPD introduction operator error, where we dropped Jesse Adami, where it took up to 8 feet to catch him on belay. We've seen in our drop tests that shock loading the system and the amount of forces that are generated and the amount of time it takes to catch that belay, it's best not to do that. And this is a way that we can maybe add some more redundancy and safety into our system. So now Kyle's going to cut one leg of our system. Gary's pulling a load on it. So if we lose one leg of our system here, one leg of our anchor, we lose our entire anchor and we'll then shock load our system. Now, turning it back over, Gary's going to put a load on the redundant Wrap 1 Pull 2, and Kyle will now cut it. It's the same amount of breaking strength. Go ahead and yank on that sucker, Nelson. And we have not lost or shock loaded our system. We just thought that this was maybe a good idea to send to you guys and put it into the for some discussion of maybe layering a little bit more safety and redundancy into our anchor systems. Thank you, Squad 29.